Kyle attempt to beat the shit out of his Evo. It's the first time Kyle's working on his car after 49 years.
Hey, I did do my entire interior by myself in the headliner, so.
That's true, you did do your headliner. The Kyle's car is a little modified here. We have pretty much every it's stock.
It's completely stock.
I'm not saying this car, but like a stock Evo. What's the price right now for like a very stock Evo?
Like 35 for like a high mile one, 35.
35 for a high mile.
Yeah.
What about low mileage, pristine?
50, 60K. You're looking at probably
40, 50K miles?
50K. Oh.
More, like 70.
No, that's
Are you kidding
70.
me?
Evo
Yeah.
8. Evo 8 or 9?
Evo 8? No, Evo 9 MRSE, probably around 60, 70 for that low, like 30, 40,000 miles.
30 miles, 30,000. Yeah, that makes sense. But yeah.
It's ridiculous right now.
A custom wheel.
Blue
You got his seats painted, the backs of the seats painted,
Needs.
blue harnesses, a CAE, a JDM climate control that doesn't work.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I had to include it. Obviously, this isn't. Is the whole front end APR?
APR front bumper, APR front fenders.
And then that
are
Voltex hood?
remade in carbon by Carbonics. Ooh. Yeah, dude, I shouldn't be working on cars.
What just happened?
Okay.
Make sure it's not bolted in here.
Is it? Oh, it
don't know.
totally is.
He just opened the door and went, ooh.
How's it feel, Kyle, to be an Evo owner now?
How does it feel to be an Evo? Oh, fuck me, there's a nut on the other side.
There's always an extra nut.
I need
Thanks,
to
Justin.
Keep getting it in your face.
I actually almost have it
It's
on.
tight like that. But I
tight?
need it to be here.
Tight?
It's tight.
Well, can someone hold this side skirt so it doesn't fucking fall off when
Hold. Have to put the vape in pause mode.
That's a thing?
That is the thing.
It is
so,
a thing.
So you don't fire it up.
Missed the vape life. Okay.
You missed the vape life.
And I helped.
There we go.
Good job, Justin. You can build an Evo.
Oh shit, is that mounted right there too?
There's two different spots. He said 2 bolts.
Fuck, Justin, I'm sorry.
It's cold. I'm just gonna pop squat.
I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get to that one.
We're gonna do one side at a time. Let's just
No, I don't know how we're gonna get to that bolt.
You can take the one above it off.
You're a fucking genius.
And who's doing his work, Justin?
Fuck.
Who's doing his work? Give us that plug right here.
JML Autosport.
What? You gotta laugh.
Yo. Okay, so just on this fucking thing?
Yeah, the pinch bolt.
You should be able to see it way more clearly.
Yeah. Is that right there, Krishan? You think's good?
Make sure like half like the center of that puck is on. Yeah. There you go.
You think that's good?
Yeah.
I think it's actually, it needs a little more.
Okay. There you go. That's good too.
That's great.
Give it a good lift.
They are both 10s, but they don't.
Might want to stand. And then we'll get a jack stand. And then we'll straighten your wheel, and then we'll get a jack stand. And yeah, look at all the tires flying off on your side skirt. Where is it? Right there. Look at all your tire
dude.
pieces.
Are you gonna get a new tire?
No, I don't think we need a new tire. Not yet. No, I don't think so.
Just like my
Tell
vehicles.
me.
I keep my lips
Krishan, I feel like that's high
chapped
enough.
up, baby.
Just like my what?
Thank you, Justin. We only use Motul here, but it's okay.
We only.
Oh, seriously though. Come on. Give her a nice palm size. See your palm next to this meat. Look at this.
It's fucking
Okay, so this.
What?
larger than my pee-pee.
Oh my god.
Just slightly though, right?
Just a little bit. A little bit bigger
So
than
this
my
is
own.
the culprit.
Yeah, let's see what's going on here. Got one of them flashlights. I should definitely get a light on here.
Yes, you should. Where did it go? What is it right here?
Bo.
Yeah, it's definitely this guy. So
Glasses. I get you this one. You want tinty boys? Look, this one is tinted. Wow, safe.
I'll be fine, right? Up here too needs to be fucking better.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Kyle said he's done over here. Let's see what he's done.
Tell me if you think that's better.
Oh yeah, dude, that's way better.
You think that's good?
What I would do is I would knock this down right here, get that flat, and then clean up like this. Try to get that out, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, but I think that's like miles better. Yeah.
Like a 2-minute break.
Yeah, dude.
Well, yeah, I'm actually gonna be able to drive it after today, dude.
I hope so. We'll see. So now that Kyle's car is done, well, we think it's done.
Done.
Yep, done. Matt came, and Matt's working on the daily. Matt, tell the people what kind of daily you got.
Diesel gang gang.
It's a diesel gang gang.
Tuned. What's that?
Is that a ratcheting screwdriver? Doesn't that so extra?
I'm very extra. You know what else is extra?
The price.
Snap-on,
It says
baby.
Snap-on. Oh my God.
Extra expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not
captive.
but they are a half turn.
That makes it kind of worrying. I feel like.
I thought they were captive. Maybe some of them are
These
captive.
ones are not captive. These ones are captive.
And why did I do that?
Yeah, mechanic.
Can you explain to the people? This?
Boom.
Boom.
Need to fix that leaky pipe, Justin.
Dude, we just need to get intercoolers.
I know we do need an intercooler.
7.5-inch stipped.
It's
blick.
ridiculous.
Wait, what?
You can get a huge intercooler.
7.5 inch exit.
Yeah.
Stepped intercooler.
The problem with the stock design is that the fitting, which you can't really see, but it goes in right up here,
Right.
is it leaks. You can see it right here.
Right.
The engine's not leaking. It's literally just the,
It's just
the
blow
line
by.
into the intercooler at the front. Oh. So, yeah, all that.
Take a lick. Take a lick. Take a lick.
Ugh.
Nah.
Yeah.
So,
Huh. Interesting.
It's just blow by, man.
yeah. The motor doesn't leak,
Actual
Right.
blow by.
but because it's a BMW, something had to leak.
And this is what's leaking.
So that's
it's almost
take
like
that.
if we fix it, there's going to be other
yeah,
problems.
yeah. So I'm almost just gonna leave it and just let
Yeah.
it-
Just have the one leak.
yeah, the little leak. It's really not that major at all. It's more of like a seep.
Let the real mechanic take a look. Where's the leak?
Yeah, come on in.
You said
Where's
Oh,
it
this
leaking?
guy.
Where's it leaking
You
from?
got bushings or the whole arm?
The whole arm.
Nice.
We'll only do
This
the whole thing
is
here.
a control arm.
Wow.
This.
What's this?
There's also this.
this? I know that's an axle. This is a
Nope.
no.
Kyle.
There is an axle. Though.
Yes.
That's an axle.
Nope.
That's not an axle.
That's a
It's
CV
boot.
loop.
It's
CV
a
boot.
CV,
Right.
but it's not an axle.
It's a part of an axle.
This.
Think of where an axle would go, right? In the car. If you had it on the outside here, it would spin the outside of the hole.
Yeah, I don't know how it's been here.
Yeah. Right? It had to be in the center of the wheel.
There is an axle though. I can see it.
Can you imagine?
That's a tie rod.
So this
Tie
is,
rod.
So
That's
this
what.
is your tie rod for your steering, and then your axle's here.
Yeah.
This?
And yeah.
What the fuck is this called? Where it connects your coilover, your suspension
Link.
arm? Is that like a
Link.
Anyways,
Something
This
link.
piece?
No,
No.
this. Not the
End link,
No,
end
no,
link,
this?
end link.
Yeah, that. Does that have a special name for it?
I mean, this is
Because
like
that's like a mount
this
to
is
your
like
suspension.
your lower control arm here.
Right, but like
And then
this
because
one.
this is double wishbone, I don't know what this piece is called.
Right. I don't have that
Because like
we ain't
you
got
can
that
see the
fancy.
other wishbone part.
Oh yes, up there.
Yeah. Which is weird.
We're learning something new. Well, Kyle's learning something new.
That this is not
An axle.
an axle.
Jesus Christ. Yes, he did. Oh Jesus!
Did it go in my pocket?
I think I
It
literally
went in
think.
my pocket.
No way!
It did.
What the
That's insane. That's
goes.
sick.
What's broken now?
Wow.
It also is perfect.
Yeah. Dude.
1,000 miles on this car,
Uh-huh.
and I didn't change the brakes when I got the car. Look how much pad life there still is. Like it's actually insane.
It's like half your pad life.
is,
even the rotors are like fresh. I don't understand. There's no.
Oh yeah,
lip.
there's no lip or
I don't
anything.
understand. The car doesn't use brakes,
Hey, you know what? I wouldn't complain.
and they still feel okay.
Rear bias.
It's got Motul 660 in there too.
Fuck it.
Rear bias brakes. That sounds dangerous.
That's-
This
yeah.
one is 21.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, scheiße.
I did a thing.
Course break.
Force break.
Huh?
What sounds sketchy, Kyle?
It sounds like it's moving a little.
Huh?
It sounds like it's moving.
It is.
Is that fine?
Yeah, yeah. It's moving forward.
No, it's like moving. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Just make sure you jack it on the right spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
Nah, Scott. That's good. You don't need to jack it up, remember?
Really?
Yeah. Remember we took your chest up to jack a car up. So you can put it back down.
Please tell me you filmed that.
Turn. I did. Yeah. Put it back down, and then we'll just turn the wheel, and then put the skirt back on. Poor Kyle. This is the most car stuff he's done in forever. There you go. Perfect. Nice.
This is the most car stuff I've ever done.
All right, guys. Well, Kyle finished up his Evo. He's just putting his side skirt back on, and we're gonna close out the vlog here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.